So next is yun. Pag-usapan natin is yung campaigns. Let's start with the campaigns. So ito, let's create a campaign. And let's discuss ano ba yung mga campaigns na pwede nyong i-create. So to create a campaign, ito, click nyo lang yung plus create. There. Yeah, so we need to confirm a few details about your account before you can publish an ad. You can either go to account overview to confirm this info before you start creating or do this later. So account info daw kailangan niya. And then ito kasi bago lang kasi yung ad account natin. So maybe there's kailangan yung mga info na kailangan nyo pang ilagay dyan. But let's do that later na lang. Pwede naman daw later. And then ito, ito yung mga campaign objectives. So let's talk about ano yung mga different campaign objectives. Actually, ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So may 6 na campaign objective. So if i-click nyo yan, ayan, awareness. So awareness dito, show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Ayan, so awareness more on, ayan, good for reach, brand awareness. So for example, may bago kayong mga products na gusto nyo malaman ng mga tao. So yung awareness yung gagamitin ninyo. Ayan. And then traffic naman, ayan. Traffic, send people to a destination like your website, app, Instagram profile, or Facebook event. So, pwede yung link clicks. Ito yung good for mga landing page views, Messenger and WhatsApp calls, and Instagram followers. So, traffic, ibig sabihin, dadalhin nyo yung mga audience nyo. Ito nga yung example niya. For example, may website kayo. So, may link doon. So, once clinic ng audience niyo yung link na yon, dadalhin nyo sa inyong website. So, ganun lang kasimple yung traffic. So, ito, good for mga landing page views, Messenger, ayan. So, next is engagement naman. So, get more messages, video views, post engagements, page likes, or event responses. So, ito engagement talaga. Ito yung kung gusto nyo madaming mga tao nagla-like dun sa post niyo, nagko-comment, nagla-like sa Facebook page nyo. So, yung engagement talaga is better than yung magpo-boost. So, I suggest na instead mag-boost kayo if gusto nyo lang madaming mga interaction, madaming mga likes yung Facebook nyo, madaming mga nagko-comment, definitely itong engagement will work for you. So, best tong engagement, for example, may bagong Facebook page kayo and gusto nyo magka-likes yung page nyo, definitely yung engagement pwede nyong gamitin. So, next is yung leads naman. Ayan, leads. Collect leads for your business or brand. So, yung leads, usually ginagamit na may form kasi itong leads if gusto natin usually sa mga real estate business or sa mga insurance, gusto natin kasi yung nag-fill out sila ng form yung mga audience natin. For example, yung name nila, yung email, yung number. So, yung leads, ito, best doon. So, actually, pag clinic yung audience yung leads ninyo na ad, yun, dadalhin sila doon sa yung mga forms, kumbaga. And then pwede nyo ipalagay yung name nila, yung email, and yung address, and of course, yung contact number. So, ito, good for, ano na to, instant forms, yung nabanggit natin, messenger, conversion, and calls, pati na din calls. So, next is app promotion naman. So, find new people to install your app and continue using it. So, if you are into yung mga cellphone or mobile apps, kumbaga nag-developer kayo, or may mga bagong games kayo, or may mga bagong software kayong na-develop, itong app promotion is best for you. So, most probably, Facebook will look for those people na mag-i-install ng bago nyong app na ginawa. So, yan, good for app installs and app events. Last but not the least, ito talaga yung pinaka-main talaga na ginagamit natin is yung sales. For me, mas effective to kung gusto nyo ng comments, likes, at the same time, ita-target ng Facebook yung mga potential audience or customers natin that would likely buy from you. Diba? So, parang siyang 2-in-1. Instead of engagement lang, may chance or there's a big probability na bibili yung mga audience natin, bibili yung mga audience natin ng inyong product or mag-avail sila ng inyong services. So, ito, sales is good. Ito, find people who will likely to purchase your product or service. Yung nabanggit natin kanina. And this is good for conversions, catalog sales, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and calls. So basically, yung main dito sa sales is yung conversions. and Messenger. Conversions, ibig sabihin ng conversions is may website kayo, so dadalhin ni Facebook yung potential clients ninyo or customers papunta sa inyong website and yun, doon na sila bibili. For example, may Shopify store kayo, so may mga online store kayo, ito yung gagamitin niyo. If ever wala pa kayong website, yung pwede nyo gamitin dito is yung Messenger naman. So sa Messenger tayo, kumbaga doon yung sales, doon yung ano natin, engagement with our potential customers. Doon tayo magbebenta. Kumbaga doon natin ibibigay yung mga details ng ating products or ng ating services. So yun yung mga campaigns na available sa Facebook: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app, promotion, and sales. So sa video na ito, magfo-focus talaga tayo sa sales because for me, ito talaga yung pinaka-effective na campaign ng Facebook. So yun, if handa na kayo, so yung pipiliin natin na campaign is yung sales. So ito, let's click the continue button. Next is choose a campaign setup. So dito may Advantage Plus shopping campaign. I suggest dito tayo sa manual sales campaign. So that makita talaga ninyo. Dito kasi si Facebook na yung gagawa ng kumbaga AI. May AI tool si Facebook. But for me, best pa din yung manual yung paggawa ng sales campaign. So ito, manual natin din. Click nyo yung continue. Ayan. So, first is, ano ba yung campaign name? Ayan. For example, in example kasi natin is yung shampoo. Yung product name niyo, lalagay niyo dyan, for example, shampoo. And then, ano ba siya? For example, ano tayo yung messenger sales. Ayan, messenger sales ad. Ganun lang. And then, ano yung date ngayon? For example, today is September 2023. So that ano lang, mamaya makita nyo kasi. So that mas easier for you to locate yung mga ads na ginawa nyo. Ayan, shampoo, messenger, sales ad, and then the date. And then, ito naman, next tayo is yung special ad categories. No categories declared tayo. So ito, usually di nagamit to for ito mga employment, housing, political, or social issues. So wala naman tayong ganon. And then next is yung campaign details. So, ayan, actually wala tayong papalitan dito. Buying type is the auction and then campaign objective. Ayan, yung catalog, wala tayong catalog. So, hindi natin isa-select 'yan. And then A/B testing. So, wag muna, medyo advanced kasi itong A/B testing. So, for me, kahit hindi na kayo mag-A/B test, malalaman nyo pa din naman if which ad is actually performing. Tapos ito may Advantage campaign budget pa, sabi daw dito, as yun, another tool from Facebook na automatically gagawa siya ng mga i-distribute niya daw yung budget niya across sa iba-ibang mga platforms, kumbaga. So for me, i-off muna natin yan. So I think okay na tayo. So next na natin.